This is John with WTI, and ginger ale has always been one of my favorite drinks to go. But I've always had just this little tiny problem: too much sugar. And lately, I've been trying to step down from sugar a lot. But this is a great solution. This is the Canada Dry ginger ale, but sugar free. So one of the things that I like about this the most is just so easy to go and to refresh yourself, have a great drink, but at the same time you're mindful that you're dropping down on the calories while you're drinking this without no sugar. And some people would say, well, no sugar, this is not going to taste good at all. It actually does. When I first tried this, I was like surprising. I identified the difference between ones with sugar and without the ones without it. So if you're looking for a great option for you to replace the sugary sodas and you just want to keep enjoying the process of having your sodas, this guy here, it works. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.